So now, since my third molars or my wisdom tooth have erupted, let me go to the dentist and get it removed because they are extra set of teeth and we do not require them. Have you heard of this earlier? Well, let me burst a myth for you. Not all wisdom teeth needs extraction. Yes, there are cases and situations where third molars needs to be extracted, but not all cases are same and not everybody needs to go for extraction of wisdom teeth. Let me elaborate it for you. Now, when your third molar erupts, that is between the age of 18 to 25 years, all other teeth have already erupted into the oral cavity and the amount of space available for the wisdom tooth is questionable, right? So, if it erupts properly into the arch and it is very well aligned, you need not get it extracted. In such cases, your brush needs to reach the wisdom tooth and you can easily clean that area. For that, take a small sized toothbrush with a small head and ultra soft bristles. Such brushes can easily reach the wisdom tooth and that area can be cleaned. Whereas your wisdom tooth, if it is not able to erupt into the oral cavity, it is stuck within the bone, that is, if it is impacted, or if it erupts in an unusual position, then you need to get it extracted. If it erupts in an unusual position, it might be impinging on the nerve, it might be impinging on the nearby tooth, or creating a problem in that area. There might be pain, swelling, redness, accumulation of food, and all these basic issues. So, yes, you need to get that tooth extracted. But if it is very well aligned, not creating any problem, you are able to brush it, then why do you want to go in for the minor surgery of getting the teeth extracted, where the risk of teeth removal remains the same? That is pain, swelling, chances of nerve injury, dry socket, etc. Right? So, not all cases are same. Not everybody needs to get wisdom tooth extracted. There are wisdom teeth that erupt properly into the arch if they have good amount of space. I hope you find it useful. The best person to decide whether this needs extraction or not is your oral surgeon. So next time, get a radiograph done, get an x-ray done, and ask your oral surgeon about your third molar. Get an opinion. Thank you.